Hello, I'm Mike from ELK Products and welcome to Alarm Engine Academy. In this series, we're going to introduce the Alarm Engine platform and walk you through how professional installers deploy it in real-world installations. Our goal is simple. By the end of this series, you should have a clear understanding of what the Alarm Engine is, why we created it, and how it fits into your business. When we designed the Alarm Engine, we had two companies in mind. The first is the professional security dealer. Security companies today are expected to deliver far more than basic intrusion protection. Customers expect mobile access, connected services, automation, remote management, and systems that are simple to use and easy to maintain. At the same time, dealers need platforms that are reliable, scalable, and straightforward to deploy across a wide range of installations. The second group we designed Alarm Engine for is the custom integration community. For many integrators, security is one part of a much larger connected environment that may include lighting, climate, audio, video, access control, or whole home automation. In these environments, the security system becomes more than just protection. It becomes a source of information, interaction, and automation throughout the property. Security events, system status, and user actions can all become triggers that drive the larger experience the integrator is creating. While these two markets approach projects differently, they share something important in common. They both need systems that are powerful, flexible, and dependable. But they also need platforms that are approachable, efficient to deploy, and practical to support long term. That philosophy is what led to the creation of the Alarm Engine. At ELK Products, we have always been known for capability and flexibility. Our systems built a strong reputation on the level of control and customization they provide to professional installers. But over time, the market changed. Customer expectations evolved. Connected services became standard. Mobile access became expected. And simplicity became just as important as capability. With Alarm Engine, we set out to create a platform designed around the way professional installers work today. A platform that is modern, connected, flexible, and scalable. A platform that can support new installations and the modernization of existing installations. A platform that is straightforward to install, straightforward to configure, and straightforward to manage. We call it the Alarm Engine because it is designed to become the engine of the system. Modern security systems are no longer isolated panels operating on their own. They are connected platforms that bring together security, automation, remote access, notifications, system management, and integration into a unified experience. Alarm Engine is designed to be the platform at the center of that experience. The system that drives everything else. At ELK Products, our focus has always been on supporting the professional installer. We provide the platform and the tools to allow security dealers and integrators to build and support their business. You install the system, you support the customer, you own the relationship. Our role is to provide the platform that makes all that possible. If this approach aligns with how your company operates, Alarm Engine Academy will walk you through the platform, system configuration, deployment concepts, and real-world installation approaches used with the Alarm Engine. That wraps up this introduction. Thank you. Continue through the Alarm Engine Academy to explore additional topics.